In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase volume on your iPhone. You can increase volume for your notifications, text alerts, alarm, music, and also you can increase volume on your headphones, and that is so simple and easy. So let's begin. And first way to increase your volume is press on your volume up button right there on the left side of your device. The second way to increase your volume is to open up your control center. Just make a swipe from the right corner to open up your control center, and there on that slider you can volume down or volume up in that simple way. Also, there is another way. For that, open up your settings and hit on sounds and haptics. Now, there on that slider you can increase or reduce ringtone and alert volume. Just drag it to the left or to the right. And also, there is option to change with buttons. The volume of the ringer and alerts can be adjusted with your volume buttons if this option is enabled. Also, there to increase volume on your headphones, you can hit on headphone safety, and there, if that option is enabled, it calls reduce loud sound. If it's enabled, there you can disable that option to increase volume of your headphones. And that's all about volume on your iPhone. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.